Hello friends, today I will show you how to make GUI in Python. We will use PySimple GUI library for making the GUI in Python. First we will install the library from pip. I have already installed, but I want to show you how to install library. Okay, it is already installed in my computer, so now we will start the programming. Open a IDLE file and import simple GUI. Okay. The format of this library should be like this. And we will create a layout. This is the level. Input something. And it is the text box. Dot input text, and now we will make a submit button, sg.Submit, and a cancel button. Cancel. Now close the layout and create a window. Window is equal to sg.Window and write a window title, Python GUI, and put on layout form. Okay, now we need to read the what value we entered in input text. Okay, so event read value from window.read. This command is used for read value what we entered in input box and window close. Okay, now it is ready, and run it. So here is our first Python GUI program. Here we can enter anything. Okay, now we will take value in a message box what we entered. Then we need to write some few lines. Text input text input. It is a variable where we take values. And now we will make a message box. When we will push the submit button, we will get a message box with our value what we entered, sg.Popup. You input. Here we will write the variable. Now it is ready. Run. Okay, now we will PySelf Sanjay and submit. We will get value on message box. You input myself Sanjay. Okay, it is the first program of our PySimple GUI library. Let's practice it, and I will make some other videos, take many values in input box and show it, and how to save the values in text files in next video. Okay, thank you very much.